Have you ever sent five different versions of the same document only to get confused about which one is the final? Okay, we've all been there. Well, those days are over. Say over. Alright. Today we are going to start the Google Workspace series, your guide to easier and smarter collaboration online. First of all, what is Google Workspace? Think of it like an online toolbox for work and school. Instead of carrying those heavy files or email versions back and forth, you can do everything online in real time. Yes, in real time. Whether you're a student working on projects or a business running with a team across different countries, Google Workspace brings everyone together in one space. Let's start with Google Drive. Quick note, this video isn't sponsored by Google. I'm just sharing tips and tutorials to help you use these tools better. Alright, so now let's head to the first one. Let's look at Google Drive. So start launching your browser. Let's come to the right corner here and click on this create Google Apps. To access Google Drive, there are two ways. You can type drive.google.com to open Google Drive, or the easiest method that I was trying to use first. So let's let it load and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's access Google Drive. You head right straight to the top right corner of our browser window and click on the grid over here, Google Apps. So this is your Google account. This is Google Drive. So I'll click on Google Drive and think of Google Drive like giant folder online that stores all your files, documents, pictures, videos, you name it. The best part is you can share just a link with your team and everyone has access to everything you have there instantly. So you only have access to what you want them to have access to, and you can give them rights to either just watch, to contribute, or to watch and give comments as well. Of course, we can't forget Gmail. This is Gmail. It's more than just an email app. It contains all other Google tools. It connects with all other Google tools. So scheduling, sharing files, and even joining meetings can happen right from your inbox. So this is the Gmail app, and we'll move to the next one, which is one of my favorites, Google Docs. So I'll scroll down. There are a lot of apps here, and I'll talk about each and every one of them one after the other in my next video. As I said earlier, this is a Google Workspace series. So this is Google Docs. With Google Docs, multiple people can write in the same document at the same time. No more waiting for someone to finish before you start. You can literally see your friend typing while you also type. So it's more than just your text editor or word processor. It is a collaborative environment as well. Okay, now let's move to the next one, which is Google Slides. So this is Google Slides. For Google Slides, whether you are in school or at work, you and your teammates can design a slide together even if you are at different places. Alright, so now if you are into tracking numbers or projects or budgets, I'll introduce you to Google Sheets. So with Google Sheets, think of it like your Excel but online and built for teamwork. And finally, Google Meet. Here's the Google Meet icon. This is Google's video call tool. Whether it's a quick chat or a big team meeting, Meet makes it super easy to connect face to face even if you are miles apart. So why is this powerful? Because all these tools work together. You can attach a Google document to an email, present it in Google Meet, and store in Google Drive. Wait, don't be confused. So you can attach a Google Docs to an email and you come and present that in Google Meet during your video call meetings as well. And you store all those stuffs in Google Drive again. Now, personally, I use them for my projects and it saves me much time and stress. It feels like having a digital office in your pocket. And that's just the start of the Google Workspace series. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into Google Drive and I'll show you some tips you probably didn't know. If this sounds useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs to get their work organized. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.